Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Landlord communications with Respond.io, full guide step by step clearly. To configure Landlord communications with Respond.io, start by logging into your Respond.io account. Navigate to the Settings tab located on the left-hand menu. Select Channels to view your communication options. Click on Add Channel to integrate your preferred communication platform. Choose the messaging service you want to use, such as WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, or others. Follow the on-screen instructions to authenticate your chosen channel. Once the channel is connected, go back to the Settings menu. Click on Teams to set up team members who will manage Landlord communications. Add team members by entering their email addresses and assigning appropriate roles. Return to the Channels section to configure message routing. Set up message rules based on the specific needs of your Landlord communications. You can create automated responses for common inquiries to streamline interactions. Next, head to the Templates section to create message templates. Design templates for frequently asked questions or announcements for landlords. Make sure to include placeholders for personalized information. Once your templates are ready, test the messaging system to ensure everything works as expected. Send a test message to yourself or a colleague to validate the communication flow. Monitor the performance of your messages through the Analytics section in Respond.io. Review response rates and engagement to optimize your communication strategy. Finally, adjust your configurations as needed based on the feedback received. You are now set to effectively manage Landlord communications using Respond.io. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.